What do you say there, folks? This old hillbilly. This is a collab. I think it's called Cinco de Mayo Food 2026. And this is, I had this video for a week. I've been trying to get it put together. So here we go. Doing some tortilla shells. Oh my God. Oh, what's the matter with you, boy? Just some little smaller ones in here for me. I like the smaller ones. I am fixing to put a couple of packs of this in there. I got 2.5 pounds of ground beef, and I just got done putting some of this Cupa Cabra fajita seasoning. It's so delicious. Sell it at Walmart. But anyway, put that some of that in there, and yeah. Oh look, I'll put a little of this in there too. I have some other extra fancy. These will be fancy tacos. Yeah. If I can get the extra fancy lid off with one hand. God, I'm like Houdini, man. All right, boy, it smells good. Okay, guys, this is the last step I'm going to show you before eating a taco, because it's all done. I got everything cut up, and I might put a little bit of. I'm going to rinse those packages out. You're supposed to add like a half a pack of water, I think. I'm going to put just a half a pack of beer and a couple of them, and stir it around. And matter of fact, I may just. I think it's about a half a pack of beer right there. And I'm just going to work it in. Ooh, boy, that smells good. Now, I'm telling you what, that does smell good. It smells really delicious. I love tacos. All right, let me get this all mixed in. We'll go make this taco, and I'll be right back. Get all that, man. Taco meat, shells, lettuce, onion, tomato, sour cream, guacamole, salsa, cheese, 2 kinds. Awesome. Yeah, I don't you look here. I showed you the picture on the thumbnail. I've got everything from the guacamole verde to the sour cream, tomatoes, fresh chopped onions, cheese. Oh my goodness. Mm-mm-mm. The shells are like shoe leather. I cooked them too soon. Oh, I almost broke a jaw joint right there eating that one. But no, that is delicious, man. Look at that. Tomatoes and sour cream. Anyway, keep on smiling. Bye bye.